India's central bank, in a surprise move, kept interest rates on hold at 6.5% today. The markets had widely expected the Reserve Bank of India to raise the key repo rate by 25 basis points. The central bank, however, indicated it wasn't closing the door to possible interest rate hikes in the coming months, if needed. But for now, it is concerned about turbulence in the financial sector globally and the economic risks. Rebecca Bundan has more from Mumbai.
The Reserve Bank of India, or RBI, says it's pausing for now on increasing interest rates, but will be ready to act if required. Since last May, the RBI has raised the key interest rate by 250 basis points in an effort to tackle high inflation. Retail inflation in India remains above the central bank's upper target of 6%, coming in at 6.44% in February. The RBI's governor says the war against inflation has to continue, but there are worries about global financial and economic conditions.
While the recent high-frequency indicators suggest some improvement in global economic activity, the outlook is now tempered by additional downside risks from financial stability concerns.
He says the RBI's rate hikes over the past year were likely to continue to help tame inflation. The central bank expects inflation to cool to 5.2% in the current financial year, which began on the 1st of April. It's forecasting GDP growth of 6.5%.
What RBI's worries are that if they are going to increase the interest rate in a slowing economy, global economy, how will that play out for Indian GDP growth? And I think the expectation is that if the growth slows down significantly, it will bring down the inflation itself.
Many businesses are relieved by the RBI's decision to keep interest rates on hold because a hike would make the cost of borrowing more expensive, which can affect expansion plans and can also impact consumer spending as it pushes up the cost of loans. But the RBI is keeping a close eye on inflation, and if it climbs, then analysts say there is the possibility that interest rates could rise soon. Rebecca Bundan, CNA, Mumbai.